Please subscribe to Define Health YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon to get our latest uploads. 6 Proven Home Remedies to get rid of crickets. Number 1. Molasses. Place some molasses in a large bowl. Fill the remaining bowl with water. Crickets will jump in the bowl when they smell molasses. Replace the contents of the bowl frequently. 1. Number 2. Set traps. Place traps around the problematic areas like walls, doors or windows. Crickets are more attracted to hot and moist areas, so place the traps around such areas. Pitfall trap is one such trap that has a hole or pit with a slippery edge. The pit is filled with soapy water to kill these pest insects. 2. Number 3. Bug spray. Make use of bug sprays to keep crickets away. Number 4. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum the room by making use of high-efficiency particulate air. These high-powered machines will pull off the eggs from carpets or the areas wherever they have been laid. 3. Number 5. Seal your home. Seal the tiny crevices of your home with the help of cement or plaster so that crickets do not creep inside them. Make use of weather stripping and door sweeps for floors. Utilize caulk and screen patches for windows. 4. Situate tightly fitted screens on doors and windows to prevent the formation of vacuum, as this vacuum results in infestation of crickets. 5. Number 6. Throw out the trash. Crickets are attracted by the smell of trash, so it must be disposed of properly from time to time, and bin must be kept covered always. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Define Health YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon to get our latest uploads.